Hi all, this is Priyadarshini working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see about the Internet of Things. In Internet of Things we are discussing about the IoT enabling technology. So in the previous session, we saw what is two enabling IoT technologies, that is cloud computing, as well as we saw about WSNs. Now here we are going to discuss about big data analytics in IoT. So what do you mean by big data? So big data is nothing but it is a humongous amount of data that comes flooded through various devices. Mainly when we are speaking about IoT, so various IoT devices bring a humongous amount of data, flood the diverse amount of data to the devices. So what does big data analytics does? So big data analytics is useful for extracting the useful data and process those data and gives a meaningful insights to our business so that we can have a proper value to our business. So when we talk about big data, we have to consider about three V's which are very essential for any big data analytics. So the first V is called the volume. So when we speak in IoT, here we are going to handle terabytes to petabytes of data daily. The next V is the velocity, wherein we are going to process data streams in real time for immediate actions. To have actuators, we do it in real time. The next one is variety, which means we are going to have integrated varieties of data which may include structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. So what do you mean by structured data? So when you can take the data in the form of an Excel like rows and columns, we call those as structured. Then what do you mean by semi-structured? Semi-structured is nothing but uh, the combination of structured and unstructured data. Then unstructured data is the thing where usually we watch many reels, we put many reels, no? So all those data like image files, the video files, the audio files, so all those are called the unstructured data wherein we cannot have any structured format for those. So these are about the different varieties of data we use. The next one is the key applications of big data analytics. So the first one is predictive maintenance. So we have to identify the equipment failures before they occur in the factories, and the next application is customer behavior insights. We have to personalize service to the customer for giving a better quality output. And next one is the health monitoring. So health monitoring is very much needed. So analyzing patient data for the proactive medical attention is very much need of the heart. So these are the different applications of big data in IoT. So the next component, the key component of IoT enabling technology is communication protocol, which is the language of IoT. So for IoT devices to function seamlessly, they must speak a common language. So that is made possible by the communication protocols. So first one is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These are very ideal or perfect for short range, high bandwidth applications such as smart home devices. The next one is about cellular technologies like 4G, 5G and NB-IoT, which offers a wide range coverage for asset tracking and even for critical infrastructures. The next one is Zigbee technology. We all know what is Zigbee. So it enables low power mesh networking. What is mesh networking? That is, all the nodes will be connected to each other. They will communicate with each other. So Zigbee enables a low power mesh networking. For example, we can take for smart lighting and automation. So this protocol ensures interoperability, security also. The next one is LoRaWAN. So it is an emerging as a leader for long range, low power IoT networks, especially in industrial and rural settings. Also, these protocols ensure interoperability, efficiency, and even secure data transmissions across the different IoT systems. So the next core component is embedded system. So the heart of every IoT device lies an embedded system. So the embedded system are nothing but the invisible brains of IoT system that performs sensing, processing, and even communication. So these are the main three things that an embedded system does. So these specialized microcontrollers or the processors integrate the memory, the networking units like Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and input-output peripherals. So they power these smart meters, wearable devices, and other connected systems. Without these embedded systems, we cannot make the intelligence and decision-making ability of IoT devices that may not exist without these embedded systems. So these are all about the IoT enabling technologies that is used.